this one is magic indicator. In this one, kids will just take a paintbrush, dip it in a liquid, in a chemical. They can write anything they want. For now, I'll just write my name, A-S-H. We will let this dry. When it dries, the thing that we've written will be completely invisible. I'll cut the video short here and I'll come back when the written text has dried. So now it did not take much time, at the most 10 seconds to dry up. We cannot see anything that's written on this paper, so it looks like a normal paper. On spraying with the chemical, this is what happens. So as you can see, my written text has turned to pink. The rest of the paper remains white. Again, this pink color won't last for all the time. After a few minutes, it will turn back to white. It vanishes away.